Hello everyone, welcome here. What is ASP.NET Core? Let's see. ASP.NET is a popular web development framework for building web apps on the .NET platform. Using frameworks, Visual Studio and all the components from the MS build, you will use creating a new software applications. ASP.NET Core is the open source version of ASP.NET that runs on Mac OS, Linux as well as Windows. ASP.NET Core was first released in 2016 and is a redesign of earlier Windows only versions of ASP.NET which is worked. The performance in words. Performance is a key for all the software applications. Any application, it may be desktop or it may be Windows like a web application or it may be app. Anywhere you may see all the users, if the users are making hitting to the server or getting to the app, the services, it's a matter of performance. So ASP.NET Core, it's a faster than any other popular web frameworks in-depth tech benchmarks. Let's see the Java like servlets will use and Node.js, how the performance request per second, and how the .NET Core is making and focusing on the performance, how it is going to be handling the request per second. 7.01 it is accepting. So that's what this is a very popular. In terms of modern and innovative, ASP.NET Core is designed to allow runtime components, APIs, compilers and languages evolve quickly while still providing a stable and supported platform to keep apps running the same environment. Multiple versions of ASP.NET Core can exist side by side in the same server. It may be cloud, independent or anywhere where the application is running. Meaning one app can adopt the latest version, legacy version, while other apps are keep running on the same version of the framework or different libraries were tested on earlier and running successfully. Windows, Linux, Mac OS and Docker. Docker is nothing but it's an image. So ASP.NET Core apps can be developed and run on Windows. These are all the operating systems along with the Docker images. So the Visual Studio family of products has tools for building .NET apps on any operating system. Also command line tools and extensions for many popular editors. Flexible deployment. Deployment is nothing but once it is the application is ready to publish or give it to the hand to the user to access this application, we call it as deployment. So the ASP.NET Core runtime that your apps run can be deployed as a part of your app or installed centrally on your web server. ASP.NET Core is also perfectly suited for Docker containers, Microsoft maintained servers, which are, it may be cloud, Azure or Red Hat supports .NET Collaborate to ensure that the .NET works well on RHEL, Red Hat Enterprise Linux. I hope you are very familiar to know about ASP.NET Core. So why are you late? We go and initiate our app by getting the Visual Studio and adding ASP.NET Core along with the frameworks and the IDE. We also call it as Visual Studio is an IDE, integrated device and environment. So this code editor will works by getting and start with the ASP.NET applications. Thank you.